Okay, great. Barineka is a blockchain enthusiast, a cryptocurrency investor, a photographer, and is always passionate about helping cryptocurrency investors make wise investment decisions. So in this session, you'll learn about Superhero and how to use the platform effectively. So without further ado, Barineka is on the stage, so I'll hand over to Barineka now to take it from here. We can't hear you, Barineka.
Okay, good day, everyone.
Okay, great.
Yeah, it's nice to meet everyone here. Greetings from wherever I am right now. Good to see each and every one of you here. And I want to thank the organizers for this platform. I really appreciate you all. I want to thank Jet and Eternity, ækiti, and Eric and Eternity Blockchain all together. I really appreciate you and everyone who turned up for this event. So today I'll be talking about Superhero, and I'll just run through the basics and maybe move forward to the next agenda that I have here. So we all know social media, we know Facebook, we know Instagram, we have Twitter, we have WhatsApp and all the rest. And I don't know if we are conversant with the word decentralized and centralized system, you understand? So we also have centralized social medias, like the one which is being controlled by one central server, which example is Facebook, Twitter, and the likes. So we all know problems with, I believe we don't know, so that's why I'm here to tell you guys. So we have problems with centralized servers. On that, number one, it's security. Like yesterday night, I think we got the heights of it, or like we saw some accounts being hacked into by hackers yesterday, like top renowned or celebrities. The accounts were hacked on Twitter and were used to do scary stuff, and you know what it means. So that's one big problem when it comes to centralized system or centralized blockchain, centralized platform or social media. So another thing too is censorship. Another thing is to tell you what to do, what to post, when to post, and stuff like that. So those are problems associated with centralized platforms. So sometimes you're not able to share some stuff. And another thing is your privacy. You know, many of us, we use TikTok, and I don't know, recently, I think on Medium, I got a post that TikTok is actually tapping into our privacy. I don't use it on my phone. I believe most of the girls here, and maybe some of the guys here. So they use the app. So it goes through your app, it goes through your phone, it picks information and send it back to them. Just imagine there's a bad guy out there and he can actually work with the information that you've provided or the information that you have on your phone, and they can act upon it, get your data, get your stuff, or even sell your information to big companies. You get what I'm trying to say? So these are the disadvantages of centralized social medias. You get. So another thing is it is prone to hack. You understand? We have people. Facebook is normal now. Like there are some people, they hack their accounts twice every month. They open another one, it's being hacked and stuff like that. So they don't really enjoy their Facebook. You're like, oh guys, my account was hacked some days ago. Please add me on my new account. The next thing, the same person is coming back again. You understand? So that is for centralized social media. So over to decentralized social media. You understand? We have the Superhero. Superhero is also a social media platform. You get, we are still working on it, but we also have some cool features that I think I need to share with you guys. So another thing I failed to mention was to incentives for you sharing your informations. You get, on the centralized system. When you talk about the centralized system, you just come post, share your posts. You don't pay. You don't get paid for it. You get. But on the people who get paid are maybe the influencers, people with a lot and lots of followers. Maybe they take money from people to do promotions on social media. But normally, you help to build Facebook. Your content, your pictures, your write-ups, those are what build up Facebook, Twitter, and the rest of it. But you help to build these platforms, but you don't get paid for doing them. You don't get paid for doing them. So with cryptocurrencies, with Superhero, your works are being incentivized. You understand? So you get paid for sharing content, for doing a lot and lots of things. You understand? Maybe on your website or Twitter, your blog, and that's a whole lot of information out there for Superhero. So Superhero is actually better. It's actually built on the Eternity blockchain. You understand? It's a social media. I can use it to tip someone who has done well. Like, I see this wonderful post, I'm like, whoa, this post is great. I love the write-up. I love the picture. I love the video. I'm like, okay, I can send money to that post. I can like tip the person like, hey, thank you very much. You've done a very nice job and stuff like that. And one cool thing about it is that you can also claim, you can also receive, you can also send. You can also, it also has a human readable address. I know many of you we've heard about, okay, send me your Bitcoin address. You start going to your wallet to copy your address and stuff like that. But with the Superhero, there's this human readable address. All you just have to do is, okay, my address name is eternity.barineka or barineka. The next thing you can tip me without my name. You get. So you don't have to start looking for AK, WZ, A2345678 910 11 12 BCD. All of them. So the human readable addresses, you can just send funds to my name. You don't need to start copying. I know it's very stressful, you know. And instead of just getting your public address, you can just use your name, okay, eternity dot blah 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 dot chain, and the next thing, funds come in, or you can even send to someone's address, like the name, you understand, the coaching name and stuff like that. So that's one sweet thing about Superhero. Jet, I don't know if you can, I need to portray my screen. I need to project my screen. I don't know if it's possible. So let me just show you guys how to create a wallet.
I guess you have a question. Why should we use Superhero, and how is it different from traditional social media?
Okay, why you should use Superhero is that number one is very, very secured. You understand? I have my private keys. You understand? My private keys give me total control over my funds, over my social media, and over everything, my content, my privacy, and everything I share on social media. You understand? Why you should use Superhero is because it's secured, free from censorship, very fast. You can send and receive message, money, anything you want to send. You can also receive, let's say you have a business on social media, and I think you can pay someone with Superhero. Like, I have a blog, like I sell clothes on Twitter, you understand? And I have my name, my Superhero name, and I put my clothes, like, hey, I want to sell this on Twitter. And you're like, oh God, I like this these clothes and I want to pay with Eternity, Eternity Superhero. All you have to do is just to tip me and I'll receive it and I'll send you your clothes. So can you imagine what you can do with the social media, with superhero stuff? So how is it different from the traditional social media? It is different when it comes to security. It's different when it comes to censorship, general control, privacy, and a lot more. It's totally different from. It's also free. You get it's for everyone, no matter where you are, no matter where you stay. It's for everyone. No third-party custodian to tell you or your followers no or yes or this or that, and it's free from hack. So these are a lot of packages that it offers. So I think I've been able to answer your question. Is there any other question? Okay. Please, do you have any other questions before I move? Yes, do you receive tips with superheroes? Yeah, of course. Yeah, you can receive tips. Like, I created a very nice content, and I want to receive. I can actually receive tips for creating such nice content, and you know, boom, the next thing I'll receive it and cash out. You get. So sorry. Let me get this password. Sorry guys, just give me a minute. Okay. Yeah, you can keep your questions coming in while I'm trying to fix this up. Sorry, do you have any question? Okay. Okay. All right. So I'll move over to how to create a wallet. Okay. Chrome tab. Okay. Give me a little time, guys. Okay, I believe you all can see my screen. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I can see
it. Sorry, guys. Okay. We have Superhero here. And this is the website. The first thing you have to do is to, this is the interface where you can receive tip, create your wallet, log in, and all the rest. So the first thing to do is to join the Superhero. It works for your laptop or your mobile phone. Okay, so you can receive tips. You can also send tips, and yeah, this is what we have here. We have download from App Store and from Google. So it depends on which one you want to do. So first of all, we have to create, generate a new wallet. Or if you have a base app wallet or an Eternity wallet, you understand, like the one for base app. I think there's this other app again. I think base app, yeah. Yeah, you can just click on retrieve existing accounts and then, you know, back up, should I say import with your seed phrase you get. So we create a new account, just keep generate wallets and proceed to your wallet. Okay. So this is what we have here. This is our wallet. So you can send tips, you can claim tips. Like if someone sent you some, you know, AE, you can claim from here. You can also sent to a social media post. Sorry guys. I don't know, my network is bad and I'm not really conversant with the Jitsi app. I've done more with it. So Jet, please, can you just take over from here? Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
I can't find my way around here. Jeez.
Thank you, Barineka.
Thank you. Sorry, guys. I don't know. This your Jitsi app is somehow. I'm trying to navigate through it, and it's really confusing here. So basically, you just receive.
Yeah, don't worry. We would have control of it.
Yeah, maybe I'll get used to it with time.
You have a few questions, too.
Okay.
There's some questions on the chat for you about if you can receive tips with Superhero.
Yeah, you can receive.
If it has access to the platform, like set transfer without consent.
You can receive tips on the platform. You get, like, let's say you have a website, or you have your Twitter account, or Steemit, or Facebook account, and your chain name is there. You understand? Let's say it's your profile or your link or your blog. Once you can actually tip AE tokens to your Twitter. I wish I could share my screen. I will be able to see like a post, like Jet's profile on Twitter. I can actually tip him some AE. You understand? Because he has the human, should I say? He has the address, the superhero address, and also the chain name. You understand? So that makes it very, very easy to tip someone and also receive from someone too. So for you to receive is just to, if let's say someone tipped like a particular post, you understand, or a post on Twitter, or let's say a blog post, all you have to do is just to copy the link, take it to your wallet, the superhero wallet, and click on claim. Once you click on claim, you just put the website, the link, the URL. Let me use the word URL. Then you just put it there, and boom, you've claimed your AE that was tipped back to you by the person who sent it. So it's that easy. So you can do the same too for, let's say you have a friend, or let's say a group of persons. You did a very nice video or a very nice post, and you're really impressed with it, and you're like, okay, I'm going to tip these guys, I'm going to support them. You just go straight to that's if another thing for them to receive it is they must have a superhero wallet for them to be able to claim their tips. You understand? So they can do the same way too. Once you tip them, they just go copy the link and claim their tips. So it's that very easy for them too. So is there another question?
I think that's all. But I would like to call in Emmanuel Jet, who is going to help us with the projection that you couldn't get through, so that people can understand properly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Barineka.
No problem.
Yeah, Jet, you have the floor.
Okay. Hello, everyone. So I'm just going to share my screen now, so I can show how you can start receiving tips, how you can send tip, and how you can create your wallet and also get tipped. So let me share my screen now. Okay, yeah. Can we see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay, great. So this is superhero.com, in which all tips are populated on this web address, superhero.com. So if you want to start receiving tip, the first thing you need to do is to create a wallet. That's if you don't have a wallet. And as Barineka showed us when he was creating wallet, all you need to do is you can go through the web wallet, which I would use to show how you do that. You can also download the wallets on Android, on Play Store, on your Mozilla desktop, and also on Chrome. So this is my wallet presently. So what I'll do first is to log out of this. So I'm just going to remove account so I can show you how you can get yours now. So as Barineka showed us, what you need to do is to click on agree first. If you have an existing account, be it on Base app, you can click on this retrieve existing account and enter your seed phrase here. But I won't do that. In my case, I'm going to create a new wallet. So I'm just going to generate this wallet now. So I'm going to skip this, generate wallet. Okay, proceed to your wallet. Now I should have my wallet here, and as you can see, my balance presently is 0 AE. So before you can start receiving tips easily, it's advisable for you to create your own .chain name. And to claim your own .chain name first, you will need to have AE on your account. So I'm going to copy this account now and top it up with AE so I can start claiming. So let me top that up in a second. Okay. I'm going to top it up with 10 AE. Okay, I should have my 10 AE now. Yes, good. So as you can see now, I have 10 AE on this wallet address. So now I can create my own .chain name easily. And to create my .chain name, you can easily do that by clicking this claim your .chain name link, which will take you to this names page. That names page can also, you can navigate there by using this hamburger and you clicking these names. So when you go to names, you have this tab. If you want to claim your own name, what you need to do is to enter this claim tab and enter a name you want to claim here. So if you want to claim a name, just be advised, the best way to claim a name is to have at least 14 characters. So let me just make use of aekiti superhero. Now, as you can see, this tab now is showing a blue icon, blue color, which means it's good to go. So I can create this name, ækiti superhero. So I'm just going to say name, create. This is a name pre-claim confirmation. So I'm going to click on confirm. And it's loading. Great. So I'm going to click on confirm again. Great. Now our name is pending. To have our name now is pending because it needs to. If our transaction has been completed, we'll see that our AE will be deducted with a minimum of 3 AE because we used at least 13 characters long. If you use a name, maybe 4 character, it will charge you higher than that. And at the moment, Superhero does not accept a name lesser than 13 characters. So while we await our name being confirmed and we receiving our name, let me show you how to tip a content. So if you want to tip a content, the first thing you need to do is to locate the content you want to tip. So let's head to Twitter. I'm on Twitter now, and as you can see, this is my profile, and I can see some feeds here. So let's just say I want to tip this content. Let's look for a content to tip. Okay, I guess I like this content here. So let me tip this content. As I have my browser extension installed, this superhero extension, I can easily see this tip button here on Twitter. But for the purpose of this, I won't make use of this. I'll make use of the native way. So if you want to tip a content on Twitter, what you need to do is to enter this tweet itself. You click on this button to get the tweet link. So when you get the tweet link, I've copied the tweet link, and now If you get this tweet link, what you need to do now is to head to superhero.com or head to your wallet. Now, if you head to your wallet, if you head to your wallet now and you want to send a tip, you can easily do that by clicking on this button, send tip. So when you click on button send tip, you've copied the URL you want to tip. What you need to do is to paste the URL here. And because Eternity Equity is verified, that's why you can see this green button. Now, I'm going to explain more on this green button, but let me look for a tweet that does not have a verified account yet. So let me get a tweet from, okay, let me tweet this, please. So I'm going to get this, and I'm just going to say, copy this. I'm going to copy link to tweet, and then head back to Superhero, my wallet, which is this. So close this, paste the link here. Now, as you can see, this icon here is showing a warning symbol. And if I click on, if I enter the amount I want to tip this URL now, let's see, I want to tip this URL with 2A, and I enter, I loved your child photograph. Let's just say I loved your tweets. If I click on send tip now, you would see a warning saying the web owner has not added the Superhero wallet yet. Now, to do this, in order for you to be able to receive tips sent to your own address, you would need to include your .chain name or your wallet address on your Twitter profile. That's if you want to receive tweet on profile on your Twitter. If you check my profile now, you would see AENS Emmanueljet.chain, meaning if anybody tweets, if anybody should tip any of my tweets, I get to claim that tip because I have my .chain name here, same as Eternity Equity on the previous link we copied, which is here. If you check here, you can see eternityekiti.chain. So if anyone tweets, tip a content from Eternity Equity on Twitter, I get to see that. So in order for you to receive tip, be it outside Twitter or let's say you created a Medium post, let's add to Medium. Let's say you created a Medium article and you want to receive tips on those articles, you can easily include your .chain name or your web address on that article. So let's make use of this article, for example. If you check out, let me open this. Yes, if you check out this article, there is a .chain name included, which should be, you can, a .chain name should be included somewhere in this article because this article can also claim the tips sent to it. So all you need to do is just include your .chain name or your wallet address in this article to be able to receive tip on that article. So now let's confirm if name. Okay, now as you can see here, it's asking us to confirm the purchase of our name. So I'm just going to click on confirm this, and I'm going to cancel this for now. Good. Now we have our name. As you can see, we've been deducted approximately 3 AE. And if I should reload this web wallet, you would see aekiti superhero.chain. Okay. Yes, it's loading. It's loading. Okay. Let's just go to the names. Aha, great. As you can see now, you have aekiti superhero.chain, which is now on your wallet address. So the next thing you need to do is to point this name to your wallet address. And you can do that by clicking on the name. When you click on the name, you click on set name pointer and you enter the wallet address you want to use. So let me go back to this place, copy this. Great. This was what I was expecting before. aekiti superhero.chain because it's a default wallet. But we have to set our pointer to receive Eternity tokens outside Superhero on this same wallet address. So to do that, I'm going to head back to names. I'm going to click on the name. Then I'm going to click on set name pointer. So I'm going to paste the link here now and click on set name pointer. Great. So I'm going to confirm that. And good. As you can see now, we have our pointer to be the same wallet address, name updated successfully. So now you can receive Eternity tokens outside Superhero. You can receive Eternity tokens from Base app using your .chain name. So if anybody needs my wallet address, I can easily say send the tokens to ækiti superhero.chain. So great. Now let's tip a content. I'm going to tip this content now. So I'm going to click on this copy link to tweets, and head back to my wallet. So I can easily click this. I can put my wallet here, or head to superhero.com and okay, because let's see, our wallet address should change here to okay. I'm hoping this wallet address changes to the new aekiti.chain. But you can easily come head to Superhero also and just click on this button on top here and put in what you want to appreciate. So you can easily type your description here and enter the URL here. But this is not our account. This account is not the account we created recently. So I'm just going to make use of this back and say I want to tip this to AE, and I'll just say I love your tweet. So send tip and confirm tip. Okay, now 2A has been sent to that Twitter URL, and as you can see, this is a confirmation message saying you have successfully sent 2A to this URL. So if I click on go back to home, my account has been deducted with 2A. Now I have a balance of 5A. So if I want to receive tips also, what I need to do is just to make sure my name, my .chain name is on my Twitter profile. So let me edit this. Since this is my profile, let me edit my profile and add, okay, so let me add this profile. Let me add ækiti superhero. So I'm going to save this. Okay, now if anyone tip any of my content, I can easily claim it because I have this name on my profile. So I'm just going to head back to superhero.com now to confirm if our previously tipped URL has been populated on Superhero, which is the beauty of Superhero. Any tip that you make online is being populated on Superhero and everyone can see it. So if you see here, it's loading most popular. If we go to the latest now, we would see our previously tipped, yes, as you can see, ækiti superhero.chain tipped this place, and you can see 2AE, I love your tweet, which is the description. So now if we want to receive tip, let me head to another account and tip. I want to tip another content now. I want to tip my own content on another account. So let me just go straight to right here. Okay. Great. I'm going to head to Twitter here. Let's come. And I'm just going to look for a tweet from Emmanuel Jet. Okay, just let me tip the main profile now, and just here. And then put in the URL. Let's see. Testing tip claim. Okay. All right. So I'm typing Emmanuel Jet Twitter account on my other page now. And I'm just going to confirm that. Okay, it's loading. Okay, my tip has been sent, so I can head back here now and go to superhero.com, reload this page to find the tweet. So if you don't know if someone has tipped you, you can always go to the latest tab here to go through recent tips that have been made. So if someone tips you and you see it, you would be able to claim that tip. So let's just look for the new tip that was sent. Okay, that's loading. Sorry for my internet. I just want to show how you receive tips, since we've seen how we can send tip and then you see how you received tip as well. Okay, great. This was the tip made. As you can see, testing tip claim. So this tip is now on Superhero. So I'm just going to copy this address that the tip was sent to, head to my wallet, and on this place that says claim tip, please note here before I claim the tip that I have 5.13 AE. I've sent 2 AE for to this address, and I've claimed my .chain name with 3 AE. So I'm going to click on claim tip, and I'm going to enter that address that was tipped, and I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, now you can successfully see this message saying URL twitter.com/EmmanuelJet, tip on this URL 2AE. Claim request sent. So if you see this message, that means you can claim that tip successfully. So I'm going to click on OK and wait for my account to be in. So now I have my 2AE here, meaning I've claimed my tip, the tip sent to my address, and I have sent a tip out to another user. So that is simply how to make use of Superhero to claim tip and also to receive tip. So thank you for joining the session, and I would hand over now.
Thank you so much, Jet. We really appreciate your help there. Thank you, Barineka. For those of you that are just joining us, don't worry. We have a video on YouTube on the Eternity AKT YouTube channel, right, Jet?
Yes.
It talks all about superheroes, so you can still learn more in case you missed the section. So definitely, I think our contest is going to get a little bit more interesting now. Would just like in case you don't know, all participants will be rewarded with a token of AE. The winner would be given 100 AE or more. The first runner-up would be given 60 AE, and the third will be given 40 AE or more. You can also go to our website to get all the rules in case you still want to participate. Thank you so much, both of you.